Welcome to FacXJunction.
Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing under a dark Arctic sky. The air is freezing. The world is silent. And suddenly, the sky begins to move. Green waves of light start dancing above you. Purple streaks swirl like cosmic rivers. The entire sky becomes alive. This is not a dream. This is the Northern Lights. Welcome to FacXJunction. Today we explore one of the most magical natural wonders on Earth, the Aurora Borealis. Stay with me till the end because the science behind this beauty is even more fascinating than the view itself. What are the Northern Lights? The Northern Lights, also called the Aurora Borealis, are glowing lights that appear in the night sky near the Arctic region. They are commonly visible in places like Norway, Iceland, Finland, Canada, Sweden. But what makes them glow? The answer begins 150 million kilometers away. At the sun, the science behind the magic. Our sun is not calm. It constantly releases energy and tiny charged particles into space. This stream is called solar wind. When these particles travel toward Earth, they collide with our planet's magnetic field. Thankfully, Earth has a protective magnetic shield. Without it, life would not exist. The magnetic field guides these particles toward the north and south poles. When they enter our atmosphere, they collide with gases like oxygen and nitrogen, and that collision creates light. Oxygen produces green and red lights. Nitrogen produces blue and purple shades. So, what we see as magical dancing lights is actually a cosmic interaction between the sun and Earth. It is science performing art, why they move and dance. Have you noticed that auroras are never still? They ripple, they wave, they swirl across the sky. This movement happens because solar wind is not constant. Sometimes the sun releases massive bursts of energy called solar storms. During strong solar storms, auroras become brighter and can even be seen in lower latitudes. In rare cases, people in parts of the United States or Central Europe have witnessed them during powerful solar events. The sky becomes a moving canvas painted by space weather, myths, and legends. Long before science explained the aurora, ancient cultures had their own interpretations. In Norway and other Nordic regions, some believed the lights were reflections from the shields of Valkyries, warrior maidens guiding fallen soldiers. In parts of Finland, legends describe them as a magical fox running across the snow, creating sparks in the sky. In indigenous cultures of Canada, the lights were seen as spirits dancing in the heavens. Every culture saw wonder. Every culture felt mystery. And honestly, even today, standing under an aurora feels spiritual. Best time and place to see them. If you ever dream of witnessing this phenomenon, here's what you need. Travel close to the Arctic Circle. Visit during winter months. Choose a dark, cloud-free night. Stay away from city lights. Places like Tromsø in Norway or remote regions of Iceland are considered among the best viewing spots. Patience is key. Sometimes you wait for hours, but when it appears, it is unforgettable. Aurora Australis, the Southern Lights. Did you know there is also a southern version? It is called Aurora Australis. It appears near Antarctica and southern parts of Australia and New Zealand. Same science, same beauty, different side of the planet. Earth truly is extraordinary. The Northern Lights remind us of something important. We live on a planet protected by invisible forces. We are connected to the sun, and even space can create beauty. If this video helped you understand and appreciate the Aurora Borealis, support FacXJunction by liking this video, sharing it with someone who loves space, and subscribing for more powerful stories of science and mystery. Comment below, would you travel to see the Northern Lights? See you in the next journey.
Thanks for watching FacXJunction.